Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on Metal Umbrella clothing. So if you are curious to know about, please watch the video. As people from United States are very curious to know about this Metal Umbrella clothing. It is a clothing brand that goes by the tagline "Too Young to Worry." Their products include top wear like t-shirts, hoodies, jackets, and bottom wear like track pants and shorts. It also has a collection of hats, headbands, and it is like famous influencer and the YouTuber Sikar PK is the brand ambassador of Metal Umbrella. They have an apparel section for Sifar PK, which includes stylish hoodies and t-shirt. The specification of this product are the brands fall under the clothing classification. The brand's items are top and bottom wears with printed front. The manufactured from an executive cotton mix. The markers arrange the shirts to be storage room staple for the buyers. The user can wash the t-shirts in the machine. The cotton used is unrefined thing is 100% pre-contracted. The t-shirt have high thickness surface that makes the print look understand and give it remarkable clearance. It is available in sizes from extra small to triple XL, and the items are additionally accessible in various styles such as round neck t-shirt, hoodies, form, v-neck, etc. The advantages are the items are accessible with incredible markdown, and henceforth it is at a moderate cost. It is available from extra small till triple XL, and it is offered by the brand that is Umbrella, Metal Umbrella, and it is printed on the front. And these products are washable in machine. The disadvantages are the reviews available on brands are minimal, and subsequently it is still unknown whether the claims are valid or not. The shirt is accessible on specifically chosen gateways as it were. The items have delivery charges relying on your area, and the social media platforms do not have enough engagement. So the question is Metal Umbrella genuine? The authenticity of brand that looks so great becomes one of the worries for the purchaser. So here we are discussing about the credibility of this product. As the brand name is Metal Umbrella, its trust score is 25%, which come under the bad trust score, and it is just a year old brand. Like, it was created on 8th September 2020. The product have few reviews available on the internet, which is not a good sign. The product has social media handles on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, but any commitment in these social stages appears to be insignificant. Moreover, the brand website mentioned the contact address and customer care email ID. As far as the reviews are concerned, and the reviews can easily be found on the website, but we are unfortunate to find out the maximum reviews. Like, it appears sometime encouraging when we found out some positive review, but moreover it looks stylish and has fluctuated size and tones, yet there are restricted surveys about it. So we recommend you to wait for some genuine reviews and must make your own research for this product before making any decision for shopping this product. So by the end you may not lose your money. And if you have experience of using this product, please do share your experience with us. We love to hear from you.